Man, I hate template sellers. What's up? I'm Dukes the Credit Beast in the consumer law space, or Dukes the Beast as an independent artist, but you guys can just call me Jesse. And with my company, the CEU, what we do is we specialize in showing individuals their rights and protections and how to enforce them. Not only against abusive debt collectors and credit reporting agencies for their violations, instantly flipping a liability into an asset. But we've also got credit cards reopened, we got benefits approved after a denial, and so much more. Now, I know, man, what have I done, right, that would even make you take anything I say with a little bit of weight? Well, I've reversed the denial over the phone at a car dealership, got the car zeroed down, walked away with it. And here's a screenshot of the actual interview that I did on YouTube. I've also shut down debt collectors over the phone and with simple letters, and I've even shared those recordings in our free Facebook group. I've also enforced to get the title to another one of my vehicles, and I got a vehicle back from a repossession using consumer law. If you want to go see that video, it's actually on my Instagram at Dukes the Credit Beast. And as for my team, we've had in-person events in Atlanta, California, Las Vegas, South Carolina, and Tennessee. We also created a free Facebook group that's over 14,000 strong right now. We got members in there getting deletions on their credit and tens of thousands of dollars in compensation. But most importantly, we created our very own app that's available on Apple and on Android. Man, go download that. But back to the reason that I'm here. So many people are gripped by fear when it comes to litigation, whether they're the plaintiff or the defendant. And I know that they're desperate for answers. Unfortunately, wherever there's desperation, there's those that are going to prey on it. And then this specific situation, it's those that are selling you a process or selling you templates, claiming that it's going to get you quick settlements and they're going to run off, right? These debt collectors, these credit reporting agencies. But what happens when they don't? What happens when they don't fold and they don't settle with you? And those processes and those templates you purchase don't prepare you for that. Now you're stuck. But luckily, that's where we come in. The CEU, that's the Consumer Enforcement Unit. Because the more you know about anything, the less fear you have about it. Now remember that app I told you about? We got a free class in there called the Elements of a Claim. So for anybody who wants to be pro se, it shows you what's needed to actually have a proper claim and what's needed for these debt collectors to actually have a proper claim. You'd be surprised how many times they don't. But did you know, as a pro se litigant, you're not held to the same standards as counsel? Now, that's not what I said. That's Haines versus Kerner. Did you also know that they cannot dismiss it unless it is without a reasonable doubt that you have no facts to back up your claim? That's also Haines versus Kerner. But did you know that if they were to dismiss it, that's actually improper? What they're supposed to do is give you leave to amend your pleading. That's Platsky versus CIA. Now tell me, did your template seller or your process seller tell you that? They probably didn't. And if they didn't, I don't know, maybe they want to keep you in fear. Like I said, the goal is to enlighten the people and make them aware of their rights, but we can't do that by ourselves. So if this video was beneficial to you in any way, shape, or form, please like the video, comment on it, and if you feel so inclined, go ahead and share it with anybody who you think needs to hear it.